Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will make entry-level data analyst resume. For that, first you need to open Microsoft Word or you can open Google Docs. Then go to layout in here and select the margin level. If you have a lot of information or content in your resume, choose this narrow option here, or you can choose this option, normal option too. Then go to size and select A4 option here. Then press enter for smooth clicking. Okay. Then go to home in here. Then add your name. Make it big. You can choose 20. In middle position, you can change the color if you want. Then add the contact information, city or country, your mobile number or phone number, then email, and LinkedIn or GitHub portfolio website if you have a link. Then set it in the middle position. Then you can choose this underline here, and also you can choose bottom border if you want. See, I did this before so that I can easily click here and there. Then you can add professional summary if you have 3 or 4 project work or internship. Otherwise, write about or profile or objective. Try to use keyword and skill name in this portion strategically. Then I will suggest you to add core competence and technical skills in here. Then add the skills name and segment it strategically. Use no space option here. You can give an underline in here too. Then add internship experience if you have, or the project experience in your resume. When you write your project experience, try to describe it using bullet point, use key action verb, skills name, and the result-oriented matrix if possible. Here we add 3 project experience: sales data analysis projects, customer segmentation analysis, and interactive business dashboard. You can add the skills name additionally in here or in below part. If you have internship experience, try to add it before project experience. But if you have internship experience, then you can add some certifications if you have. Then you can add education section in the below part of your resume. If you want, you can put in the top position. Delete this or backspace. Save it. Before you send it someone, export it as a PDF.